Get acquainted with the 2021 Mazda CX-5. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy the good life in this CX-5, the compact crossover with highline style. Its excellent ride and cornering prowess make this upscale SUV a delight on country roads, and its exceptionally quiet cabin creates a soothing oasis wherever the journey takes you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, premium sound system, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Style and versatility blend beautifully in this driver-focused CX-5 crossover. See for yourself when you take it out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.